Mighty VS7 UC100. This is the used car kit that goes in line with the pre-owned protection program. We offer 4 different products in this package. You're going to have one for the crankcase, one for the fuel, one for the transmission, and one for the coolant. These are all pour-in products that get utilized in the pre-owned protection plan. This is great for used car lots and or new car lots that are selling to used cars. When they're doing a used car recondition, this is part of the program. As they go through this, they pour these additives in a vehicle that has 150,000 miles or less. That vehicle, upon sale and delivery of the mileage to the owner, then activates the pre-owned protection plan, which is good for 6 months or 6,000 miles. And it covers $1,500 worth of coverage on all 4 systems for up to 1 incident. This is a great way to get into the used car market and protect and add to an investment of used cars for those purchasers.